your driving test today?
Yeah, failed it. They said I was an aggressive driver.
What are you writing? What are you f***ing writing about me?
Ho! We're off. That's good.
Dicky. Ah, Dicky.
I am the very most general. Life information, vegetable, animal, and mineral. I know the kings of England, and I quote the Pipes historical from Marathon to Waterloo in order categorical.
Ah, fuck.
Now things just must make more sense. And it's just simple. Just one simple thing.
Oh, well, prepare to cheer up, you daft widow. It's only gout.
Jesus Christ.
The truth there, shite.
You guys are assholes.
Yes, we are. 950, please.
Shut up. Turn off.